Hi, it's me. Glad you could be with me today. Well, yesterday we worked on just kind of darkening here and there, just adding a little bit of dark here and there, just like that. See, that's all there is. It's not something that's rocket science. Okay, and we need this dark in here to give that wave its form. Okay, just like that. Okay, we just come right on down like that. And this wave is kind of crashing over. Okay, so we're just going to take the edge of the brush and we're just going to pull some lines like that just indicate that water's turning over. Okay, and we're going to want it a little darker right in there like that, because the wave's casting its own shadow. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to pull some lines up, and that will be the water working its way up as it goes into the wave from down here. Okay, now if you be with me tomorrow, we'll put a little bit more work here and there. Okay, and we're going to darken this. Okay, now tomorrow, like I say, we're going to put some more work in our wave. We might actually even bring some white in and put some spray out. Okay, but we're getting the wave done. Okay, so be with me tomorrow, and be sure to hit the like, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, and then tap it so you get all the videos. And be sure and comment. I need your comments. And remember that I love you. I love you. I love you. See you tomorrow.